Today is June 26th. I extended my stay at this hotel. I'm losing a little bit of money, you know. Probably will go there to another hotel tomorrow. But it's still cool, it's still cool. It's not that much, 25 euro. Good price. Anyways, I'm meeting another supplier. Gonna go get some food. As you see, it's raining bananas, cats and dogs. I have my flip-flops. Maybe I'll change to my shoes later. Another company just had a chat. It seems they like do business with Black Panther. It's like a USA brand. Their fireworks are like super famous, as I know. Yeah, it looks like a real cool company. They said like usually people, you know, don't come here. They just make orders, and you know, if they have any maybe big orders, they come, but they didn't have like a special department, you know, for accepting clients. But still, they like greet me very welcoming. So that's nice. Anyways, I'm kind of a tourist here. Kinda, you know, it's like more, my purpose here is more like tourism, and maybe, you know, just get information. Oh, cool Maybach. That's nice. Yeah, just gather information, you know, and look for future stuff, future orders, future, you know, business. So I'm in Liuyang. City center? I don't know, it's a shopping mall, but it's like the main area. So anyways, I had another meeting with Jumbo Fireworks. They're quite serious. They do business with USA, some companies in Europe that I know. And the boss, he's like a cool dude. He goes to Pakistan. He changes like do diamond trades, also all sorts of copper, and he orders like mines to China from Pakistan. So they're they have like a whole business varieties, you know. It's not only like one business. They usually have like different sorts of incomes. They don't stick around like just with only one, so that's quite interesting. So the guy was like, if you need like gems or copper or, you know, any other like materials, be free to ask. We can like do business. So, you know, that's like where the money is. Fireworks, or, you know, just like for fun. It's like not a big market anyways, and it's like very regulated. So yeah, you can get rich here fast if you want to. Hey, so it's June 27th. I'm waiting for another supplier. We're gonna meet soon in an hour. It's raining today quite heavily. I don't know where's all the rain coming from. It's like raining non-stop, like day and night, you know. Well, at least it's not super high, you know, and the area is like cleaning itself. It's good for the nature. Anyways, I'm thinking to going soon to Changsha. Also, I'm thinking to book a flight to Shanghai. I think I'll choose Shanghai besides Beijing, because if the weather is like this, you know, in Beijing, you won't see much. And also like the Great Wall and the ancient city, or the Forbidden City. I think it's Forbidden City. think you need a lot of time still, you know, for these activities. So I don't want to rush myself too much. So maybe Beijing is better for another time. But Shanghai should be nice. And I found some tickets back to Bangkok. Basically, I was looking for flights through Ctrip, ctrip.com. So the domestic flights were cheaper, but the international were like pretty much the same price as Skyscanner. Not a big difference, but still, like, if you're staying here, definitely check out Ctrip. You'll save some money. Like I'm saying now, like for my stay, you know, I would be like on trip.com, I would be like paying 32 euro. Now I'm like paying 20, 24, 25. So that's, you know, that's like 5 days. That's a lot of money. You know, that's like for somebody's a whole like day pay. So you know. Like remember some.
Oh wait. No.
Okay.
A little bit disorganized because we just renew this showroom.
It's okay, no problem. This is interesting for us. Paintball.
Smoke.
Smoke, yeah. But it's very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, but very
This
interesting.
is also signal.
Signal, yeah. Flares.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I see. F4. Yeah. This is F4 1.9.
Yeah.
I had this, like,
Yeah.
but no market.
Your dreams.
Yeah, my dream.
Achieve your dreams.
Achieve my dream.
咩怕？下個廈門商實實就於你見了用盤下溝通。他說一直做研發，他跟我們說。
然後。
還是可以。
Here.
Yes.
When do you sell the most fireworks?
Most?
Uh-huh.
You mean most selling product cakes?
No, which month is the best for selling?
Best selling. 香港係咧就平手啊，咋咧？就係佢係咧就買地好，我都會selling。
Hey, it's June 28th. I'm still staying in Liuyang. I'm going to Fireworks Museum today. Should be interesting. It's not raining the first day, so that's very nice. Yeah, anyways, nice. Hey, so it's so nice that it's not raining. A little bit warmer also, but it's like very nice. It's cool, you can see the mountain and stuff. Probably there's like factories somewhere there also. They have 200 or more factories here in Liuyang. Fireworks. Yeah, so this is like the temple of Fireworks' ancestor. You saw a big statue of him there. So this is the temple. Very nice. Yeah, you can hear some fireworks even shooting. This is crazy, man. Yeah, the museum is closed because of the rain. God. Yo, this place looks very busy. 20 minutes and the price is like 3 times more. So I hope it's worth it. Kinda expensive, but yo, so the cup size is crazy big, but this looks like empty and this looks like full, so I don't know why is it that way. It's very creamy also. Tastes very good. Looks like a quality brand. Yeah, the bottom is empty. Now let's taste it. Yeah, it tastes more like black tea, but it's not bad.